One day, when Jesus was with his disciples teaching and healing people, a messenger came running from Bethany.
Jesus, come quickly. Your friend Lazarus is ill. Mary and Martha need you.
I'll come soon.
Master, it is a long way to Bethany. But Jesus did not hurry. He stayed where he was for 2 more days and then began walking to Bethany.
I wish Jesus was here. Where could he be, Mother?
Mary and Martha and the mourners returned home. They wailed and wept for more days for Lazarus.
Mary and Martha, Jesus is down the road.
Yay! He's finally here!
Lord, if he had been here, my brother wouldn't have died. I know now that God will give you whatever you ask. You are the Christ, the Son of God.
And with new hope in her heart, she runs to call her sister.
Mary, Jesus is here and he's asking for you!
Oh Lord, if you had been here, my brother would not have died.
He understands the burden of sadness. His loving heart cares so much for them that Jesus weeps.
Where have you laid him?
Take away the
But
stone.
Lord, it has been 4 days. The body will have a bad smell.
Didn't I tell you, if you believe, you'll see the glory of God?
Lazarus, come forth!